a Shane Company jewelry consultant. Recently, a customer told me he wanted to get his girlfriend an engagement ring that would make her jaw drop. A ring that didn't look like anyone else's ring.
What I'm going to do
I asked him if he had ever considered a sapphire for the center stone. A colorful sapphire will really make her ring stand out. At Shane Company, we're famous for our natural sapphires. We have over a dozen colors: peach, green, lavender, black, 3 shades of blue, and more, in every shape and size imaginable. Handpicked by Tom Shane himself.
Most of the tank is
after choosing the most beautiful sapphires,
then I'll buff it all down,
determine how each one should be cut to maximize its life and fire.
It'll be ready, but I gotta get. See this rough here?
Now you have a friend
see
in
that
the jewelry business,
camera?
Shane Company, and Shane.
Where that's all rough and bubbled. Well, I'm gonna smooth that all in. I'll float that in, and then I'm gonna put the patch over that, which kind of marries up to this one and all these, and then it'll be ready. So here we go. Let me smooth this shit out. Sorry about my language.
It's not okay to drive hot. If you've been using marijuana in any form, do not give up any feel. If you feel different, you drive different. Drive high, get a DUI. Paid for by NHTSA.
Flask open the Point mobile app, and you could win a poster signed by Breaking Benjamin on the Point
You're gonna watch the solder start to swim. And that flux, make it move. You have red shit? Sorry. That's dirt. Solder and dirt do not get along. Solder runs from dirt. Yeah, come on. Just get that little hump. I think that's a piece of that thing. There goes. So what we're doing is we get this floated in so we can it should all start smoothing out. There we go. There we go. I don't want no bumps in it.
What's the biggest tank you've ever done?
Well, the longest in a Peterbilt tractor trailer. Cut the end cap off it, and they're aluminum, so you got to get in them and you got to actually cut the end cap off where it was welded in the factory. And good inside of it, they're bad for the baffles breaking. Weld the baffle back in and then fit the tank. When you cut the tank off, you mark it. With a welding marker. You mark it, metal marker. That way when you go to put it back together, you put the cap back on. It's kind of tricky to make exactly where it came off so it marries up right. It's a job. That's probably the biggest tank I've done.
What's the hardest?
Probably that right there. Peterbilt. These little things here, with all the rust on them, they're a pain in the butt. And I'm one of them, when I do this kind of stuff, it's not like, I don't butcher them. I like to make them look smooth, you know?
Yeah.
Sometimes I spend a little more time than I should on them, but at least I know that the repair is good, right?
Yeah.
What I got to do now, real quick, I got a primitive setup here right now because the shop ain't set up all the way, but it's not going to be in here anyway. It's going to be in the other building we're building. Can you slide that crescent wrench underneath the top of that tank right there where my fingers are? See if I can't get this thing to stay here. There we go. See, it was wanting to run back that way. And that's good though, because now the whole top wall of that tank, gasoline goes through that And this thing's rust everywhere. So what I'll do now is start floating it back downhill and make it look smooth. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So all that dark stuff, dirt?
Where at? Up here?
Oh, yeah.
No, that is actually flux.
Oh.
Sometimes this is tedious, you know, but a lot of guys just solder it and say they're done with it. You see that red right there glowing? Look,
Yeah.
boom. That's an enemy there, huh? So to speak. Okay, we're getting together now. Okay. Here we go. We're getting ready to do the final dance here. And this side will be done. I believe that side's almost done. This tank's almost ready to go back home. Okay, you see that dirt?
Mm-hmm.
Anything red is not supposed to be there. That's all around that penny good, smooth in. Come back down here to this crater. Alright, here we go. We're gonna tin this penny up. Tinning means basically, in layman's terms, get the solder to accept. I mean the copper to accept the solder. Let's see. A little bit of solder on there. You see how I don't really want to stay with it?
Yeah.
Put her in there and watch it's gonna swim on. It's gonna swim around wherever there's no dirt. There it goes. Alright. A little more. There we go. There we go. Alright. Gotta get it loose from my pliers. So. There we go. She's loose. We'll get it up over the hole. Right there. Okay. Now what we gotta do is get that penny to marry up with that solder on it that's already there. It's laying in a bed of solder, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, do me a favor, take that crescent wrench back out. Yep, still got it going. There we go. Let it rock back right there. I'm gonna float this in. Just right there. Beautiful. You can see it going back together. Alright, solder's gonna move around this penny. You'll know the solder together. Move it over just a little bit right there. You know what? Solder's gonna go around that penny. Like magic. Like a magic kill. Start there. Lighter heat, so we're not just forcing it and burning it in there, you know. Okay. We're on the home stretch. Home stretch. Yep.
105.7 The Point.
See that red dirt pipe burn out of there? this now. It'll be on the video when you watch it. Alright. Now we're just going to do cleanup and we'll be done. Just going to put a layer of solder over the top. Okay. Okay, I don't like them bumpy bumps there. Alright, that one out of there. You okay?
Yeah.
You breathing that shit in? Don't breathe it. Here we go. Top coat. Yeah. See that? How that's smooth in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. We're about there. That's nice. 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 Alright, I'm gonna go this last blast here and we're done. I like it. I like this hump here, so we're gonna move it around a little bit. Fill that in. Now watch it go around that penny. Boom, boom, boom. Smooth that out. Smooth that out. Push that little tit in. Boom. This right here on top. Yep, yep. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now this liquid I'm using is not water. It's soldering flux. You can't buy it in the hardware store. You got to go to like GS Robbins. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Listen, I guarantee you, there's no leaks right here no more. This is a nice little bit of metal and solder. And this tank will be ready to fill up with gasoline. That hole there. What do you think of that?
Looks
Daddy
good.
knows how to do it, don't he? Huh?
Yeah.
Daddy make that shit swim, baby. Alright. That's it. That's done. And you know what? I know it's the inside of the tank, and I know I got carried away, but that's the way I do this shit. I like to make sure it's fucking right. Sorry about my language. All right, shut her down.